Welcome back for engineering visualization channel. So now we are discussing that section of solids. So in that now we are taking the next problem, that is on hexagonal prism. Okay, how the section of solids will be conducted in the hexagonal prism. Okay, now we are looking to the question. So in the question given, it is a hexagonal prism of base side 30, axis 70 mm, rests on its base on HP with the two of the sides of the base being parallel to VP. So here, being parallel to VP means we have to make that one of the edge parallel to the VP plane. That's what your first position. Okay. And then cutting plane perpendicular to VP and makes an angle of 50 degree with HP, passes through a point on the axis at a distance of 10 mm from the top face. So 10 mm from the top face we have to consider on axis. Okay. And then we have to cut the arc. Okay. First I will drawing the top and front view. Okay, here dimensions for having 30 mm, so we can use either angle method or the circle method. So first I'm going to construct the top and front view. Okay, this is x, pp, hp, this is y. Okay, so take the compass. I'm using the circle method. Okay, so measuring 30 mm from the scale, it is already measured. Okay, can draw the circle here. Okay, circle of 30 mm. Okay, now what you have to do here, it is first draw one smaller line because we have to get that edge parallel to VP here. So for that we have to draw an horizontal line here as a reference. Then after that we have to cut the arcs. Now we already measured 30 mm, so I am cutting the arcs now. Okay, first, second, then here, then from here, then from here. Okay, now we join it, you'll get the hexagon. Okay, so I think this is the easy method compared to the angle method. So whichever the method you find easier, you follow the method and construct the hexagon. Okay, okay, you can see here. So we have constructed the hexagon here. Okay, using circle method. It is of dimension 30. Okay, now we are going to give the namings for it. A, B, C, D, E, F. Top face notations. Bottom face notations are A1, B1, C1, D1, E1 and F1. These are within brackets because the bottom face not visible from the top view. Okay, now we construct the front view. So draw the projection lines. Okay, height here it is 70 mm. So draw an axis for height 70. Okay, okay, 70 mm. Now we write the notations here. A dash, B dash, C dash, D dash visible, but E dash, sorry, here we have to write E dash and F dash not visible. Okay, same way A1 dash, B1 dash, C1 dash and D1 dash visible, E1 dash and D1 dash not visible, O1 dash and O dash also not visible. Now here you can see with the question, a cutting plane perpendicular to VP and makes an angle of 50 degree with HP passes through a point on the axis at a distance of 10 mm from the base. 10 mm from the base means here, okay, so we can mention this dimension here. This is 10. Okay, now we have to draw an angle line here. Take this as a reference. An angle here, it is making an angle of 50 degree. So now we are drawing an cut plane or the section plane. How to draw? Line 2 dash, line 2 dash, line 2 dash, line 2 dash, and line, and then the thick lines at the end. Okay, so perpendicularly here we show arrow. Yes, this is the cut plane. Now here the angle we have considered here, it is 50 degree. Okay, so here I'll show 50 degree. Okay, so it has been cutted. Now we have to project it downward to write the notation of it. Okay, so here this is what the sectional top view. Okay, section of top view. Now we can write the naming. This is 1, it is cutting, and this is where it is 1, and this is 2, and the 2 it is cutting here, and the 3 here it is cutting, here it is 3, and 4 it is cutting here, and this is 4, and this is 5, here it is cutting, and this is where it is 5. Okay, so we have done with the namings and cuttings. Okay, now parallelly I'll draw one line here, x1 y1 line, to draw the true shape, x1 and y1. Now we have to mark 90 degree points. Okay, first point, second point, then third point. Now draw the lines here. So we have drawn. Now we have to cut the points using compass here. So for that we can measure it from this base edge. Remember it, from this sectional top view we have to measure. So here this is your 1 is here, and I can cut it this 1, 5 on the same line. So I can measure this 5, it is very near. 5 and 4 it is having the same length. I'm cutting that. Here it is 4. Okay, now we can measure this 2, point number 2 and point number 1 having the same length. Okay, next point number 3 is here. Okay, we have cutted all the points. This is your 1, this is 5, this is your 4, and this is your 2, and this is your 3. Okay, now we have to join this. Okay, this is your true shape of the section, and this is sectional top view. Okay, so this completes the problem. Okay, so if you have any doubts, you can comment it in the comment section. Okay, subscribe for the channel and hit on the bell icon for the latest notification, and hit on the like button and share it to the maximum students so that they can be benefited. Thank you all. Thank you for watching the video.